Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Hyundai Sonata key fob. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or your valet key and a new CR 2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Having these items prepared will make the battery replacement quick and easy. First, locate the small release button on your key fob, usually found on the side or back. Press this button firmly, and the metal valet key will slide out. This key is essential for both manually opening your car door and for the next step in opening the fob itself. Set the valet key aside for a moment. Now, look for a small slot or seam near where the valet key was removed. Insert the tip of your valet key or a small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, you will hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Carefully work your way around the seam to fully open the casing. Once the fob is open, you will see the circular battery. Note its orientation, then gently pry out the old battery using your small screwdriver or the valet key. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing downwards. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Reinsert your valet key and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.